Good day everyone, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Christmas is just around the corner, kaya naman I've prepared a dish na pwede mong ihanda this holiday season. Ready ka na? Tara, luto tayo! Alright, before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future recipes na share ko. Ano nga bang difference ng broiling sa roasting? Pareho lang ba sila? When you say roasting, it's the same as baking. The heat comes from the bottom of the oven or the appliance that you're using, para kang nag-iihaw. While broiling is the other way around as the heat comes from the top of the appliance. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung turbo broiler's heat comes from the lid o yung sa takip nito. Which one is better? I would say pareho lang sila because they both produce great dishes. Depende na lang kung anong meron tayo. Ang galing, di ba? Ano bang kailangan natin? We need 1 whole chicken, soy sauce, liquid seasoning, calamansi, garlic, onion, lemongrass or tanglad, rosemary, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and honey. The exact measurement is in the description box. Prepare muna natin lahat ng aromatics for our marinade. Let's chop our garlic in half. Set aside natin yung half which is gagamitin natin mamaya. Peel off the skin and set aside. Next is our onion. I'm using white onion here. Just cut it in half, peel the skin off, and dice lang natin. Then our lemongrass. Kunin lang natin yung pinakapuno nito. Just make sure na well-washed para matanggal yung mga natirang lupa. I-cut lang natin into small portions kagaya nito. I-set aside lang natin yung iba para magamit natin mamaya. Lastly, our calamansi. Mag-prep lang tayo ng around 8 to 10 calamansi for this recipe. If walang calamansi sa area mo, you can also use lime or lemon. Isang piraso lang will do. At this point, we can now prep our marinade. Using a food processor or a blender, mix lang natin lahat ng ingredients. Start tayo with our aromatics. Ilagay na rin natin ating soy sauce, liquid seasoning, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Using a strainer, pigain lang natin yung hiniwa nating calamansi directly sa blender. Ayaw nating malagyan ng buto yung marinade natin kasi papait. I-add na rin natin yung honey. If walang honey, you can use brown sugar or palm sugar in some areas. Lastly, our rosemary. This is actually optional and if available lang. I just like the aroma of rosemary lalo na pag hinalo mo sa chicken. Just pop the lid on and start blending. We just have to blend everything, probably around 10 seconds. No blender? No problem. Mince mo lang lahat ng ingredients and mix them together. We are looking for this consistency. Okay, prep na natin yung chicken. Before we marinate our chicken, gawin muna natin to. Using a spoon, paghiwalayin lang natin yung chicken meat sa skin. This will ensure na malalagyan natin ang marinade in between, making our chicken more flavorful. Okay, ready to marinate na tayo. Just pour our mixture directly sa chicken. Using our best tool, our hands, i-massage lang natin yung chicken with our marinade. Buti pa yung chicken may nagmamasahe, no? Sana all. Okay, make sure lang na malalagyan ng mixture yung buong chicken natin, lalo na yung cavity o yung loob para sure na malasa. Flip lang natin, making sure na pati yung likod ay malalagyan. At this point, we can now put our remaining lemongrass inside the chicken. Ilagay na rin natin yung garlic and onions. Then our rosemary. Lastly, spoon the remaining mixture and put it inside the chicken. Kapag hindi pa naman naging malasa to, ewan ko na lang. Alright, so cover lang natin with cling wrap and leave it overnight inside your fridge. After 12 hours, we can now prep for cooking. Before we start, let's make sure na itali yung chicken legs using a strand of lemongrass. This is to ensure na hindi tatakbo yung chicken. Joke. Para lang maganda yung presentation niya mamaya and maipit sa loob yung mga aromatics. Okay, lagay na natin inside our turbo broiler. Using our marinade, base lang natin yung chicken para hindi maging dry. Set lang natin yung temperature to 225 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check na natin yung chicken. Disclaimer, hindi yung chicken yung sunog ha. Ito yung small bits ng marinade natin. Flip it on the other side, pour the remaining mixture, and do the same thing. Pero this time, lower the temp to 175 to 185 degrees Celsius for another 30 minutes. Alright, after the long wait, our chicken is ready. Plate na natin. And there you have it everyone, our Christmas broiled chicken. Serve mo na to this holiday season. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe ka na rin and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future recipes na i-share ko. And share mo na rin to sa mga friends and family members mong mahilig kumain at magluto. And also don't forget to follow KMACS Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions or any suggested dish na gusto nyo lutuin ko, please comment down below. Malay mo, next episode natin yun na yung lutuin ko. Again, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Tara, kain tayo!